like I said, we're going to look and see, is the market down 1,600 points, just getting slammed. We're going to watch and see here if it's time to buy. So let's go ahead and go long here at the
Order
market.
filled.
Going long here at the market, right around 16 was, I think, the price we got. Let's see if they can boost them up or if they're going to run a shock on us. Trying to target a move here. 16 jumping up to the 30 area, 28 to 30. Let's see if we get a rocket ship boost or they stop us out. Either way, doesn't matter, but let's see if we can get a rocket boost blast higher here. They're still pushing the sell side here. Let's see here. We're long at 17. We're using a 12-point stop. Let's see if we can get them to jump up here for us and try to run a higher number up there around 30, 28 to 30. Still waiting for it here. Kind of struggling a little bit. Let's see if we can get them going here. Again, long at 07, 8107, and trying to jump them up to the 28 to 30. So here we go. Let's see if we can get them here. Trying to pop them up to 28 or higher. 28 or higher. 28 or higher here. Trying to get them up there.
Target
There they
filled.
go. And then they just blasted the target there. So great job, you guys, on grabbing that trade. Let me show you the time and sales on that trade here. I said 17 because, you know, they're moving so fast with this crazy Dow down 1,600 points here. You can see up here. Well, it's improved. Last time I glanced at it, it was down 16. Now it's down 1550. But bottom 17 quarter, and I said 28 to 30, and above. I said if they run up over 28, get them out. 28 to 30 zone. We got out at 29 quarters. So that shows you the time and sales I had on the order there. So that's good. Let's see if we get another trade set up. We'll watch for it. Yeah, let's go ahead and go long
Order
here at the
filled.
market. Long at the market right here. 32 is what I got here. 32. And let's see if they can blast this thing up to 43 area, above 40, but let's see if we can get 32 to run at least 42 to 43 zone, 42 to 44. Let's see if they can light them up here. And you should stop trading if, you know, you got the 9 points. You'd be happy with that. That's our normal routine. But just keep that in mind. Let's see, though, if we can get this... get them to run up to 42 to 44 zone. Oh, they're struggling a little bit here. Hang on just a minute. Let's see if we can get them going. It's all BS. I'm telling you, this whole thing is such BS. Now it's getting really shaky. The whole thing's getting really shaky. Let's give it one more chance to see if they can blast off and run them up to that 42 to 44 zone. One more chance here. Let's give them a chance. Oh my God. Still pushing it here, trying to get them to blast, but I don't know if they're going to. Everything's so damn negative. Let's see if they can blast. We need them to take off pretty soon here. If they move back up, let's stay ready to jump out here. Let's say totally rocket ship higher. Let's see if they can blast here. Go ahead and exit on the next up blast. Right there, exit.
Order filled.
36. I had to. I think they're going to still blast up to that 42 to 44. There it is. I had to get out. I didn't want to see us get stopped out. So we got out on the 32, or let's see what I had here. 34 long No, my mistake. Long at 31. That was our price there. 31 that I called out. 31 long, 31 quarters actually what I got. And we when they jammed them up to 30, that first run up, I said on the next blast up, get out. 35 is where we got out. So it's just a small move for plus 4 points. And in hindsight, yeah, they did. They blasted them up to the 42 to 44 zone that I mentioned. But I kind of, when they made that last dive lower, we got really close to getting stopped out. And I just was like, oh, I don't want to screw this up here and have to sit here all day and trade them back. So we got 4 points in that. Puts us up 9 plus 13 points. Now, just so you know, that was on for today. Um, 13 points, just so you know, 13 times $20 is $260 minus be about $40 commission on the trades we've done so far. 220, and if you had 4 contracts, that's an $880 type of paycheck. If you had half that, it is still a decent $440 paycheck. So just keep that in mind, and that's the way we trade them every day.